Today we're going to be designing a sun logo. First off, we're going to be laying the infill. This design requires multiple 3-point columns. So to prevent the columns from scrunching the canvas and backing, we're going to lay the outline. Next, we are going to begin placing our 3-point columns. We are going to structure these columns similarly to our previous design. We have to structure the columns in a way so it only takes 3 shapes to form the curves on our columns. Now to do the swirl on the inside, we are going to begin with the 3-point column. Then once we get to the beginning of our curve formed, we will use the arc column tool to lay the rest of our design. Now that we are finished, let's take a look at our logo at the 3D viewer. Looking sharp.